Okay, so how to use this output. Basically, you have to understand that this is one block. This is one block. This is another block. Okay? This is the block of 16 ohm. This is the block of 8 ohm. This is the block of 4 ohm. Okay? Do you remember when you had a switch like this and you can set 8 ohm, 4 ohm? Okay? You just have these two output. Okay? Basically, these two output are those, or are those, or are this one. Okay? Another thing you have to understand is that those are in parallel. Okay? It means that if you have two cabinets and you use two cabinet of 8 ohm, you have to use this one. Okay? Because it's the two cabinet in parallel, you have to divide it by two. Okay, so two cabinet of 8 ohm means a total impedance of 4 ohm. So you have to use this first block. Okay, basically is just like if you switch this to 4 ohm and you use one cabinet of 4 ohm or two cabinet and each one must be 8 ohm. Okay, if you switch this one to 8 ohm, it must be one cabinet of 8 ohm or two cabinets of 16 ohm. Exactly what is written here. Okay, only one cabinet, it must be 8 ohm. If you want to plug two cabinets, they must be 16 ohm each. Okay, it's pretty simple. If you only have one cabinet of 16 ohm, you use this one. If you have one cabinet of 8 ohm, you use this one or this one. If you have one cabinet of 4 ohm, you must use this one, okay? Or this one is the same. It's just like if you put 4 ohm here and you use one or the other, okay? It's very easy. About the cabinet could work in mono if the switch is here or in stereo. If the cabinet is in mono and you plug into this input, you have 4 ohm. It means one of 4 ohm, one or the other, you must plug in here. Okay? If you want to use the 16 input, you must came out from here. One of 16. Okay? Now, this cabinet could be also used as stereo. It means two part. Each one is 8 ohm. 8 ohm left, 8 ohm right. Only if this one is switched to stereo. If this one is switched to mono, you can choose between 4 or 16. If it's in stereo, you can use 1 or 2 or only this one, but each size is 8 ohm. Okay? Each half of the cabinet, you have 4, it's split it in two. 8 ohm on the left, 8 ohm on the right. Cool. So you have to imagine this is a block. This is the output of 16. Sorry. This is the output of 16. This is the output of total 8 ohm. And this is the output of 4 ohm. Just like this one. But this one you can choose. This one is fixed. Okay?